Welcome to Fortress Security Store. This tutorial video will demonstrate how to set an exit delay on your secondary RFID keypad. By default, when you enter the password and press the lock button on the keypad, the system arms immediately.
System armed.
To change this, first enter the keypad's 6-digit admin password and press pound. Press the number 3, then enter the desired delay time in seconds. Press pound to save. You can then enter *pound to exit programming mode, or let the keypad time out. The delay can be set to any number of seconds between 0 and 250. Now when you arm the system from your secondary keypad, it will count down the designated number of seconds before sending the signal to arm.